Hello, welcome to the LifeEar Hair Coach video on using the high volume kit. If you've done the personalization, it's possible that the app will tell you that you need to use the high volume kit, or if you think I want to have more volume, then it's also worth stepping over to this thicker tubed high volume kit set. So to get started and replacing the current thin tube with the high volume tube, what we will do is we will grab the LifeEar, we will twist the tube base 90 degrees as such, and then we're able to pull it off. Next, we grab the air hook, which is part of the accessories in the LifeEar box, and we can just push this back on until it says click and the base is nicely aligned with the rest. So let's place the LifeEar on top of the air that I want to fit it for, and you can see that the air hook is hooked a little bit out. Then I have the thicker tube and the tip. Let's place that into the air, as such. Let's place it comfortably into the air. There we go. And as you can see, this tube is going to be too long to fit nicely with the air hook. So we're going to have to cut this piece of tube to the right length. So one way to do it is by yourself, and then you just need to measure at what place you're going to cut it off. But what's probably easier is to ask for some help, because then you're sure, and then your help will be able to measure and make sure that the tip there's still some room to actually get it onto the air hook. So you have the right measure, and we can cut it off. Thank you very much. So now it's long enough, we can grab the hearing aid, which is still behind my ear, and we can move the tube all the way over the air hook. There we go. And it's easier to have it aligned in the direction that it will straight away fit into your ear. There we go. And then it's the same as with other tubes, just placing it in your ear canal and then resting the hearing aid behind your ear. And now you're all set with your high volume kit. I hope that was useful, and thank you for looking and watching this hearing aid hair coach video.